Today we will have 10-minute session for making your legs strong and for a strong back. This 10-minute session can be performed by anybody. Uh, when I say anybody, I mean persons who are beginning or beginners, or persons who have been into yoga or some kind of physical activity for some time. These sessions are complete workout for entire body, but they focus mainly on the body parts uh, like legs and back. Just remember that the legs carry the body weight of for entire life. You are carrying yourself on your legs. So if your legs, due to lack of muscles or which is basically resulting due to lack of exercise or any kind of physical activity, get weakened. Uh, Not necessarily that walking will help you make your legs strong. Definitely, they will increase your leg strength, but there are muscles in your legs which need to be exercised or worked upon to give a all-round strength in your legs. So you have, considering the fact that your legs become weak over a period of time, you have to keep them strong. Similarly, the back, back has to be, as in yogic principles, back has to be very strong, flexible. You should be able to bend backwards and forwards. The reason is that your entire body, everything is anchored on your spine only. So it's good to have a good shape, less fat in this area, core area, and a stronger back. So uh, strong back and strong legs is the focus of this 10 minutes workout. Let us get started. Okay, so you should lie down on your mat like this in supine position. Lift your left leg, interlace your fingers, place them on top of your knee, and pull your left knee towards your chest. You have to stretch your right leg forward. Remember, at the same time when you are pushing your left leg towards your chest, you are stretching your right leg, which is also straight. It is not on the mat. It has to be lifted. It has to be kept straight with your right toe flexed. Your left toe also should be flexed. Right leg should be stretched as much as possible. Left leg should be pushed towards the chest. Lift yourself. Try to take your nose towards the left knee. Keep breathing. Remember, the duration of the pose is as much as important as the fact that you've reached in the pose. So please hold yourself here. Keep breathing. Keep your right toe stretched forward. The entire right leg should be stretched. Left knee should be pulled in all the time, actively. So use all the pressure and power in your hands and pull your left knee. One final time. Now breathe out. Let your left leg go. Bring your right knee towards your chest. Interlace your fingers. Place them on top of right leg near to the right knee. Now pull your right knee to the chest. Extend your left toe. Your right toe also should be flexed. Now pull your right knee to the chest. Take your nose to the right knee. Keep your left toe left leg stressed, it should be lifted from the mat. Hold yourself. This is Pawan Muktasan. Lift yourself. Take your nose to the knee. Keep breathing. Always breathe. Retain your focus on breath. Now take one long breath. You breathe out. Let go of your both legs. Now bring both legs towards the chest. Interlace the fingers. Place them on top of the legs, near to the knees, and pull. You can keep your one leg on top of another, and you can pull the knees to the chest. Lift yourself. If you're finding it too much, or is there any kind of tension or pressure in your neck area, you can come out of the pose, lie down on the mat, and then you can come back again. You can do it in 2-3 attempts also, but ensure that your whole body gets the necessary stretch. Focus on your breaths. Lift your head, take your nose to the knees, and pull your legs to the chest. Now take one long breath, and when you breathe out, lift your legs, take your head to the mat, stretch your hands like this behind your head, keep your fingers open, stretch your hands outwards. Now keep your toes flexed in. They should be, the legs should be stretched with your toes being pulled in towards your body. Stretch your legs, pull your toes towards your chest, stretch your hands, keep them stretched. You should feel stress, stretch, and back portion of your legs. Your knees is squeezed. Pull your toes inside with all your power. Pull your hands out. Remember to hold yourself with here. Keep breathing. Hold yourself as long as possible. Possible. Now take one long breath. Let yourself now take your toes to upwards. Flex them. Stretch them upwards. Stretch your hands upwards. Keep your fingers spread like this. Pull yourself upwards. Keep your hands pulled upwards. Your legs should be stretched upwards with your all your power. Keep breathing. Retain your focus on your breaths. I have started sweating a lot. Maybe it is humidity, but this asana is tremendous workout for your legs. It will make your legs very strong. So pull your legs with all your power. One long breath. When you breathe out, fold your legs. Take your hands to the knees and slowly lift yourself. Sit like this in squat. As per your comfort, is there any pressure, pain in the knees? Come out of it. Or if you can, just sit in this position. Squat are very good workout for your entire legs. They stretch your knees. They bring flexibility to hip joints, and they will make you stronger. So sit in the squat as long as possible. and you're comfortable, you can take your body to the side. You can move your legs so that if there is any stress or strain, it can be taken out of the equation. Just relax, sit here as long as possible, keep breathing. You can join your hands in front of your chest. Be thankful to yourself. If you are here sitting on the mat, it is very good for the body. Now slowly you can take your legs and outside little bit, bring your hands inside and increase your posture. Deepen the squat. You can sit here for a few more breaths. Look straight ahead. Keep breathing. Squats are very good for your lower part of your body. In fact, lower back also gets stressed and it will become strong. So sit in these postures as far as possible, as per your comfort. Keep breathing. Now come out of it. Lie down on the mat comfortably. Take support of your hands. Take your hands behind your ears. Stretch them. Now bring your hands closer to your head. Pull your legs. Place them closer to your hip. Now we will go in Ardha Chakrasana. For that, take a long breath and lift yourself. Place your head on the mat. If you cannot lift it in one go, and if you can lift it, just lift it with the breath. Breathe in and lift yourself. Adjust yourself. You can lift your heels, come on your toes, press the mat with your hands, and come in Ardha Chakrasana. Chakrasana are very good poses for strengthening the back. So you can remain in Chakrasana as long as possible. Keep breathing. Keep your hip lifted. You can adjust once again. If your flexibility is there, you can take your hands further back and lift yourself. Here, remain in Ardha Chakrasana. Now take one long breath. Come out of. Place your head. Bring your hands down. Bring support to your hips. Slowly come to the mat. Lie down. Now we'll do a variation in Ardha Chakrasana. So take your hands back. Breathe in. Bring them closer to your head. Place your legs near to the hip. And when you breathe in, lift yourself. Place your head on the mat and then lift yourself. Next breath, lift your right leg. Keep breathing. Lift your right leg as much as possible upwards. Press the mat with your hands. You're absolute beginner. You're finding it difficult. Then try it slowly and slowly. If it is not happening today, it will happen someday. Breathe in. Come out of the pose. Place your head on the mat. Lie down. Take rest. Remember, this variation of Ardha Chakrasana is little bit tough. Probably fit for the people who are in intermediate level of their practice. So if you are able to start today, it is okay. You can take your time. Keep practicing. Ease yourself slowly in these asana as your body gets stronger day by day. Now we'll do with the other leg. Take your hands back, place them closer to your head, bring your legs closer to your hips, lift yourself with the breath. Now with one breath, lift your left leg, hold yourself there, keep breathing, push the mat firmly with your hands, lift your left leg, look down, keep your eyes open, keep breathing. Take one long breath, come out of the pose, place your head on the mat, take support of your hands, bring them closer to the hips, and lie down on the mat. You should lie down here for 30 seconds to 1 minute, or as long as your breaths get normal. Relax. So this session for strengthening your legs and back is over. It can be done in 10 minutes or so approximately. It is workout for the full body, mind you. Your legs or your back cannot become strong in isolation. Your entire body muscles are used, but at the same time they focus on these particular body parts. So it will take very less time and make you fresh for the entire day. So please do attempt it and share your comments in feedback section. Thank you so much.